So welcome back to another training video from we at Tech TV. In this video, I'm going to show you something you've got to know about Facebook. So before we begin, let's search for something. So we want to move to the search bar and search for Cristiano Ronaldo. So this is Cristiano Ronaldo's Facebook page. You can see here he has 167 million followers and he's following only 44 people. Okay, let's search for Facebook itself. Facebook also has 188 million followers. Then for the list, I'll go for Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean has 140 million followers and is following only 3 people. So the big question and the reason why you clicked on this video is, how do I also start my own Facebook page and gain more followers like how these 3 people we've looked at have? I'm going to show you how. It's simple. Just create your own Facebook page, post content on it, share with your friends and family, and that's it. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own Facebook page, how to manage it, and how to gain more followers and become famous like Mr. Bean, Cristiano Ronaldo, and the Facebook company or other big content creators. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is move down to this hamburger sign and click on pages. So you can see here I have my own page, which is the Tech TV page, but we are here to create our own Facebook page. So to create our own Facebook page, we want to click on the create button at the left side of those tabs you have over there. So we'll click on create. After it has loaded, we'll be welcomed by this setup. It says a page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, or organization. You can do things like showcase products and services, collect donations, and create ads. It said millions of people discover and connect with pages every day. So note, Mr. Bean has 140 million followers. Cristiano Ronaldo has 167. We also want to gain that millions of followers here on Facebook. And Facebook says what? Every day millions of people discover new pages. So maybe you can be one of those pages that these millions of people connect. So we want to click on the get started button. So clicking on the get started button, we want to choose our own name. So what is the name of our page? Is our page an organization? Is it a product, or is it our own personal brand? So for this, I'm going for personal brand. So which name will I use for my page? Let me go for tutorial geek as a personal brand. Then want to click on the next button. Okay, so now the name of our page is tutorial geek. So looking at the name, what do you think the category of our page would be? Of course, tutorials. Tutorial is under what? Education. So yeah, so we're going to choose a category for our page so that people can get to know us more. So once click on the add category button and search for education. And you should note you can add up to 3 categories here on Facebook. So I'm going to search for the education category, then select category. So what type of education am I giving to my people? Tutorials. So that's what? Information communication. That is the tech. So let's search for information communication, or let's search for tech, and let's see. So with searching for tech, we can see we have information technology company, that is the IT. So we'll select that. We also have science and tech, so we'll go for information technology company. And for the last one, we'll also add the science and tech to it, because science and tech is also connected with information communications. So we'll go for science and tech. So after choosing our categories, we click on next. We'll click on next and wait for it to load. After it has loaded, here we have to fill in some details about our page. So let's say what, do you want to add an address? This helps people to find and visit the location of tutorial geek. Maybe it's a company itself. Do you have a physical structure and want people to come there to watch what you have on display for them? But we'll leave it as default because we don't have one. It's just a tutorial I'm making. So down there it says what, city or country. So we want to choose a city. So we'll click on choose city. Then we'll search for where we are. So we are currently in Accra, Ghana. So we'll click on Accra, Ghana. That's our city and our country. Then we'll click on next. So this is just a small layout of what our page. So it says what, add images to this page. Use images that represent what this page is about. like a logo. This will appear on set. This is how it will appear on search results. So we'll click on the plus button at where we have the icon, and we'll go to upload a photo. So we just choose any normal photo. So for this, I'll go for let me take this iPhone vector. Then we'll click on done. So you can see now our logo is processing. So let's wait for our logo to process. So when people search for our channel, our page, which is the tutorial jig, this is how it's going to look like. So let's add a banner to it, and let's see how it also looks. So go to upload a photo and look for a suitable banner, which I'll go for this one, education through entertainment. Then click on done. That one will also process, and voila. So this is how our page will look when someone searches for it. So we'll click on done. So now we've created our own Facebook page. So this is how our Facebook page looks like. You can see our icon, our banner, then we can see 0 likes, 0 followers, then we can see the main page of our page. Okay, so let's say I want to introduce people to my page. What do? We click on this ellipsis button, then move down to invite friends. So clicking on invite friends, you can see it says what it will switch to your Buenote Nicolas Bue profile to invite friends to follow tutorial jig. So we are currently logged into our Facebook page, but if you want to invite your friends from, let's say, your personal Facebook account to come and follow you on your Facebook page, you click on the ellipsis button, then you move to invite friends, then click on switch profile, which will take us to our main profile, which is the Buenote Nicolas Bue, which is my personal Facebook account. So you can see it as we've switched to Buenote Nicolas Bue. Then we want to choose the people we want to share our Facebook page with. So maybe I'll choose up to 4 people just for this tutorial. Then we'll click on send invite. So an invitation will be sent to them to come and view our page and follow. Okay, so you can see an invitation has been sent to our friends, and we are back to our Facebook page. So with our Facebook page, we can edit our public details, like what we want others to see. We can add an avatar, a bio, the intro, then other stuffs. But this is where the video ends. In our next video, we're going to talk about how to edit your Facebook page to attract more followers. If you love this video and love to see more concerning this topic and others, I recommend you liking this video so that I'll know that you love this video, that I'll do more on it. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. This is Becotech TV, the only channel that gives you tech educational videos. It gives you music videos and gaming videos and many more. So see you in our next video. Is bye for now. Peace.